So the quiet before the storm, AMC is still consolidating for a while. Since Monday, guys, Tuesday and Wednesday, and today, Thursday, there's no activity for AMC. Is the preparation before the squeeze? We have to discuss it in today's video. Before we go further, remember our content for educational purposes only. And of course, remember we always do update on our Discord and Bitchon for mini plays. Yesterday we did for Okta, NVIDIA earnings, NTNX, and CRWD, all of them did fantastically good. And as you can see here, Okta did the 24% and is still jumping. CRWD is still jumping around the 221, and NVIDIA jumping around the 224. Again, those updates we always do on Discord and Bitchon every day. Link in comment section below, guys, if you want to join before, of course, the jump. And of course, because if the jump happened, it would be too late to enter. However, for now, we got AMC is still sleeping. There's no action. Let me just show you what happened before. Every time when we have this kind of reaction, which is trading sideways, we have a follow-up by a huge buying pressure. Let me just remind you. Here on May, yes, 19th of May until 29th of May, we have a consolidation period, nothing, just up and down 1%. After that, we jumped 40% in just few days. The same we got here before the jump that happened around the earnings, and we jumped until new high around the $3. So of course we repeating ourselves here with this accumulation before the end of this year, so or the end of this month. We got just few days left at the end of this month, so we got tomorrow and next week we might have our jump toward or over the $3. So prepare for a huge movement will happen maybe at the end of this month or maybe the next month of September. So September will be pretty volatile for AMC just from what happened before, and of course from the last good revenue for the earnings last time. So I'm watching this preparation for this accumulation, and next time we might have the breakout over the tree, and this time could be drastic of 40% as we discussed before, or 50% from now around the $2.65 and go toward the $4.10. This is what I anticipate, as long of course holding over this technical level, the white line, which is over the $2.12.